Alright friends, welcome to yet another unboxing. Today we're checking out the Chew Fun 1500 watt electric kettle. This is stainless steel and it's 304 stainless steel, 1.7 liter fast boil tea kettle. This is supposed to have an Otter thermostat technology. I guess it's imported from Britain or something like that, so it's easy to clean. That's all the stuff it says about it. So let's check it out here, shall we? Alright, so I picked this up off of Amazon for about $34. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out as well. Here we go. Instructions are on top. Let's put that aside. And then it has a little thank you note as well. Thank you for your order, and appear to have good customer service. If you have any problems, let them know. Okay, let's remove this top piece of cardboard here. Inside we have the kettle. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, there we go. So that is that. That is that. Okay, that's it for the box, my friends. Let's see what we got here. This is the bottom part, appears to be. And also the plug goes in here. Right, like that, I believe. Yes. So this is your base. And it hooks up right to that, the bottom of the kettle. Okay. So here's the kettle. Now, before we do that, let's talk about the cord length. I always like to mention that. It's approximately, I'd say, 3 feet long. Okay, it's got, does have the ground plug and all that, so a 3-prong plug. Alright, let's move on to the kettle, shall we? Now the base has your electrical hookups there. This is nice looking stainless steel. Should match the rest of my stainless steel items quite nicely. So it seems to be well built. Stainless steel wraparound, as you can see, all the way around. Has a little. That's a little sharp almost up there. Not too bad. Oh, okay, so there's the pour spout. Has a little like filter there too. So I don't know if you can just make. Probably shouldn't make coffee in there, but let's see how you take this lid off. Okay, so it's got a little button on top. Just push it, and your lid comes out. Okay, so there you have it, friends. Inside. It's all stainless steel inside except for the little your little window here. It's supposed to be BPH free though, so everything else is all stainless in there, as you can see. Check it out, it's pretty cool. And this is quite spacious inside. Looks like it'll hold, it says 1.7 liters, so it looks like almost a 2-liter thing there. Now I guess that you just set your on the base, you just set it on there. Swivels around if you want to. That's kind of cool. So yeah, alright my friends, that is the initial unboxing of this product. I will leave a link in the description below. You can check it out on Amazon if you want to. So we will be doing a product review and demonstration soon, so stick around for that. And thanks for watching this unboxing. Everyone have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time.